Well, folks, it's about that time again. Fort Worth Genealogical Society is having another meeting. Our speaker this month will be Linnell Moss. I don't know her. Her subject, I presume that's her. Her subject will be family search wikis. You ever thought about needing an assistant to help you find the records that you need? Or do you need an expert to ask about the county or state you need to research? Have you ever used family search wikis? Linnell will show you how to get the great value out of them. And that's coming up on Tuesday, May the 28th. That's not this Tuesday, it's next week. It's going to be the Central Branch of the Fort Worth Public Library, 500 West 3rd Street. The doors open at 6 p.m. We'll have some refreshments, and the meeting starts at 6:30. Generally lasts till a little bit before 8 o'clock. You can park at the parking meters for free after 6 p.m. Or there's free parking in the Sundance garage for 2.5 hours if you get your parking stub validated at the library desk. Y'all come on out and see us at Tuesday, May 28th, 6:30 p.m. is when we get started. We'll see you there.